Okay, in this video, we are going to learn about the equal and the equivalent set. So before starting off with it, let me first tell you a very important concept, that is the cardinal number. Cardinal number is the number of elements in a set. Let's suppose I have a set which is A equals to the set of let's say vowels. Here we have 5 elements. So the cardinal number of this set, that is the number of elements in this set, is 5. And there's a specific way of writing it. It is written as like this. And here goes the name of a set. If the set is X, so the cardinal number of X or n of X. So here in this case, in A equals to AEIOU, there are 5 elements, so the cardinal number can be written as the number of elements in set A equals to 5. So I hope that the concept of cardinal number is clear now. It is nothing but the number of elements in a set. Now let's come to the main topic, which is equal and equivalent sets. When it comes to deciding whether the sets are equal or equivalent sets, there are two very important things. The first is the cardinal number that we have discussed, and the second is the elements. Here as well, in case of equivalent set, the cardinal number and elements. Let's see what's the difference between two. Here in the equal set, the cardinal number, that is the number of elements in each set, is same or it's equal, and the elements are same. All the elements are same. Whereas in the equivalent case, the cardinal number has to be same. That means the number of elements in both the sets has to be same, but the elements don't have to be same. Now let's consider an example. Let's suppose I have two sets. Set A is 1, 2, 3. Set B, which is 3, 2, 1. Now, let's first see the cardinality in both the cases. Cardinality is the number of elements. So the cardinality of set A here is 3 because there are 3 elements in set A, whereas the cardinality, which is denoted by n of B, that is also 1, 2, 3 because there are 3 elements. Okay, so here the cardinality is same, right? And if we look for the elements in this case, so we have element 1, we have 2 in both of the sets and 3 in both the sets. That is, the elements itself are same. There is 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. The order does not matter. Elements are same, and the cardinal number is same. So these two conditions are satisfied. So we can say that A is equals to B. Okay, so now let's see the example of equivalent sets. So here you can see X equals to A, B, C, D. So the cardinality of set X is 4 because there are 4 number of elements. And here as well we have cardinality of Y equals to 4. But the elements are not same. If you see, here we have A, B, C, D, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So these sets are not equal. So these are equivalent sets. Remember, the cardinality number has to be same. If the cardinality number of both the sets is different, then they are neither equal nor equivalent. I hope you get the concept of equal and equivalent sets. Now let's do some practice. So now it's practice time. This is the first pair of sets. So we need to decide whether these two sets are equal or equivalent. So the first thing, there are two conditions. First, we need to check the cardinal number or the cardinality. The second is we need to check whether the elements are same or not. So let's see the first one. The cardinal number of the first set, which is E, is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The cardinal number of the second set O is, which is the odd set, is also 5. So the cardinal number is same. The first condition, we have checked for it. The second is the element. Okay, so let's see whether the elements are same or not. So here you can see that we have 2 here, so we don't have 2 in the second one. Since these are even and odd, they are entirely different. There is no element which is same. Okay, so for equal set, we need to have all the elements same. So here we don't have a single element which is same. This set is basically the equivalent set, because the cardinal number is same for both of them, but the elements are not same. These two sets are equivalent sets. Now let's see the second one, which says A equals to A, B, C, D, E, F. So here the cardinal number of the set A is 6, and the cardinal number of B is B, D, F, A, C, E is also 6. So the cardinal number is same for both of the sets. Now let's look for the elements, whether they are same or not. So we have A here, B, B, C, C, D, E, E, F, F. So all the elements are same. Cardinal number is same. Elements, all the elements, okay? Remember, all the elements are same. So in this case, this pair of set is equal. Now we have two more sets to decide if they are equal or equivalent. So let's check them. Okay, the first pair is x equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and y equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I hope that you know how to work out for the cardinality. So what is the cardinality of x? Yes, you guessed it right. That's 5, because there are 5 number of elements, and the cardinality of y is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. Okay, now you know very well that we check for two things. The first is the cardinal number and the second is the elements. Okay, so let's first check the cardinality number. Here the cardinal number is 5, here the cardinal number is 6. Although the elements of both the sets are same, there is only one element which is not same. They can neither be equivalent nor be equal. So these are not equal sets because their elements are not same, as well as the cardinal number is not same. Neither they are equivalent sets, because for both of them, for equal or equivalent, the cardinal number has to be same. So here the cardinal number is changed, so it's not a case. Now let's see for the second one. So here A equals to PQRS. So the cardinal number of A is 4 in this case. The cardinal number of B here is 4. Okay, so the cardinal number of both of them is same. But if you see the elements, we have PQRS and here we have WXYZ. So the elements are not same, the cardinal number is same. So if the cardinal number is same only, then these are equivalent sets. So this one is equivalent. So I hope you understand the concept of equal and equivalent set, and now you can better decide whether the two given sets are equal or equivalent. So have a happy learning. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.